Here's the pigeons. Me with the pigeons. Pigeons don't like me as much as they like other people. I don't know. Let's see.